Hang on. Ready. Okay, so we have this resultant force in rectangular coordinates, and the next part of this lesson is taking those rectangular coordinates and putting them into polar coordinates. So we just need to take these and put them into polar coordinates, which basically means you need to make a graph. It says negative 14.86 to the right, so in other words you're going to the left 14.86 units, and then 69.5 units up. So you have a really tall triangle like we said. So, and I just drew the triangle backwards. That's okay. So we'll actually draw it this way. Because if you remember with these, and I'm not entirely sure why these problems have to be this way, but they always go off of the x-axis. So this is 69.5 units and 14.86 units. We need to figure out this hypotenuse length, and then we also need to figure out this angle. So figure out this hypotenuse length, we'll just call that x, and then we'll call the angle theta. To figure out x, we just use the Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, 14.86 squared plus 69.5 squared equals x squared. When you do 14.86 squared, let me just find it really quick. Oh, it doesn't even say. Okay, so put all this together, you get 5,051 equals x squared. Take the square root of both sides, so x equals 71.07. So that means that this length is 71.07. Now we just need to figure out what theta is. You can use any of your trig functions to find theta. So you can use sine, cosine, or tangent. Since we already know for sure adjacent and opposite, let's just use tangent. So the tangent of theta equals the opposite over adjacent, so 69.5 over 14.86. So all I need to do is 69.5 divided by 14.86. So tangent of theta is equal to 4.677. And then I just need to do my inverse tangent to both sides. Cancel each other out, and we get theta equals, let's see, when we get inverse tangent, we get theta equals 77.933, that's a 3, degrees. Let's see. So if this degree is 77.93 degrees, what we really need is this angle here. So we have to do 180 minus that. And when we do 180 minus that, we get 102.07 degrees. So we know that our angle is 102.07, and we know that our hypotenuse length is 71.07. So to rewrite it in polar coordinates, we say 71.07 angle 102.07 degrees. That is in polar coordinates.